Hi guys, Olga with you. Since long time I didn't tell you what's happening with me, what I discovered, what's my plans. So today is exactly that type of video. I hope you will enjoy. I try to show you the most interesting things. Let's go. Our relative, he gave us apartment. It's like that, but it doesn't have any furniture. So now we need to find something for short term because we are not sure how long we will stay at all in Denmark. We will stay for a long time in Denmark at all. Anyway, it has good kitchen here. Yeah, so see this is really great. The only thing spending is bedrooms. And here doesn't have washing machine. And this is very bad if you don't have kids, for sure. If you have kids, I mean. Yeah, the washroom here, like that. I guess it requires some cleaning, but I'm still not sure that I will be able to clean it to the perfect condition. So I guess I will just buy some kind of mat just to cover it, and that's all. Now the guys exactly bringing us furniture. So for now we have nothing, but yeah, soon we'll show you before and after. It's empty room for now. Like that. So we actually arrived to the Red Cross boutique. Somebody suggested us that they have a lot of stuff, and if you need to furnish the apartment, this is the best place. So now we're gonna check. So here you can buy tables, carpets. You can make, actually, I feel you can furnish your house in a very crazy, nice way with the things which you have here. For example, this tower of the clock, it costs something like $10. Imagine. This table is for $30 for sale, and this sofa for about $120. So guys, I actually, I guess buy with something like $50 or $70. I buy so many stuff, I find so many great things, and now I will show you unpacking what actually I get. And this is really great idea for somebody who is moving to another country, even not as refugee, anybody, to get some kind of good options of the home things.
Love you.
So what I got actually, I got this lamp. Yeah, and the price for this lamp is about $3. See, 20 kron. Also, I take this cover. It's warm enough, so we can use it. It was $3. We take the cot for baby, so the price for it were about $10, I guess. And also we got a mattress. As well, we have this lamp. The price is about, I guess, $7, something like that. And it's pretty good lamp because we don't have electricity in this room. I don't see where we can put the lamp, so I guess this one would be very useful for us actually. Also, I have such kind of hair dryer. The price was about $5, and I got this iron, and I see it's pretty good, really. I believe it's pretty good iron. The price is also $5. Also, I got some kitchenware stuff. This is just some of the things. This was about $3, as I remember. This one was for $3, 25 kron. I could not believe my eyes. I couldn't let it stay, you know. It became like a hunting for the good deal. This one was at all less than $1, and that is pretty good brand, so we take it because anyway we are using it. This stuff, this together, this one for sandwiches and all the stuff, these things cost $7. I also buy this toy for my daughter. She loves cats. It was something like for $1.
I named her Poofy.
Yeah, she named her Poofy, and she looks very cute.
Maybe it's in this organized and stuff called road course.
Yeah. For now, I still not sure where I need to stay. In UK, now Canada opened door for Ukrainians, and we're really thinking seriously about that. But the bad thing that I need to go to make my biometric for Canada, and for this I need to leave Denmark and go to Sweden to Stockholm, which is very far from here. Actually, if I want to drive, unless I need to fly, and with all my family, it would be somehow costly. Or I need to go back to Berlin, which is also something like 10 hours drive from here. So both of options, and once I will leave, I cannot go and come back 10 hours back, so it's very messy. So I'm still considering both options. Let me know if I'm choosing between UK and Canada, which one you think can be worse better. In UK, I find a person who can sponsor me from the Cambridge. She is very nice woman. Even Sky News was showing how she was filling application and how she is sponsoring us, and my pictures. Tell me if somebody saw it. And regarding Denmark, for now I'm still not able to find appointment to make residence card. It is always busy. And today I go physically to this place to check. Maybe there is something wrong with the website, but there is real appointments, and there are no. But I want to show you one very crazy parking, how I park my car there. It is super, I feel super high technology, and write me if you ever see such parking somewhere else. Here there is a arrow which is showing you how you need to park. Okay, is the antenna removed? What do you think, Yesenia?
I think.
Look at the car.
It is parked over there with a wall of cars.
A little bit more from the local library. It's super, it's super not similar to the libraries which we have in Ukraine. This is something very great. I see many people work here, and also over there also I see so many people everywhere sitting and working. Very nice. So actually, as I understand, this is to return book. If you bring the book, you put it here, and this book is going through here, and here you can see the picture how this book is going and where it is going and how it is driving back to the storage. Very interesting thing. Sure, I never see such in Ukraine. See, there is people submitted books, but maybe you know such things from your country. And that is the books when they are returning exactly from that machine. This is down. This is how they are sorted. Now we need to tell.
Yes.
Okay, now we need to tell us where we can. Okay, we need to go to box number 2. Oh, that is box number 2. Let us go see faster. Yeah, it's retrieving the car. You see? Let us wait.
Whoa. Oh my god!
So thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please, I'm waiting for your comments. What do you think about everything I showed you there?